Hi, welcome. It's Anais. I'm about to leave for my first real solo trip. Today I'm going to Airlie Beach because on Monday I'll be going to the Whitsunday Islands. I'm super excited. So I have a bus at 3 p.m. and right now it's 11:26. I have to go to the city, get some stuff, eat, and then go to the bus station. My first ride is 19 hours. So yeah, pray for me.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe. Because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone, hoping one day I'll never be known. Cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Hey, it's me. I finally arrived at Airlie Beach, and tomorrow I'll be going to the Whitsunday Islands. So I'll be sleeping on a sailing boat for one night. After that I'll be taking a bus up to Cairns where I'll be staying 3 days. And then after those 3 days I'll come down to Hervey Bay, go to Fraser Island, and then go back to Brisbane. So yeah, that's my plan for this trip. I'm gonna keep walking around and I'm gonna take you along with me. Yeah, hope you enjoy. See ya!
Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop. Being hurt, what a concept. Gotta stay alive, yeah, that's the mindset. Caffeine mornings, vodka nights. Gotta be awake, gotta live this life. Hoping there's more, but knowing there's less. We gotta keep going and hope for the best. Walking the streets, just you and me, trying to fill the void, trying not to bleed. Sometimes life just moves too slow. You gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess. Cause I'm stuck in this route, day in, day out. Thoughts come in but nothing comes out. I'm still trying to feel on top, wishing all the shit would just come to a stop. Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started, you left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts, keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I know what you're doing, baby, 'cause I'm not stupid.
Hi guys, I am currently at the bus terminal. I'm waiting for my bus to go to Cairns. I just got back today from my boat trip to the Whitsunday Islands. As you can tell by my hair, because it looks crazy, there was so much wind, but it was so much fun. This looks so gross. Anyways, I had so much fun. It was such a good trip. We went to the Whitehaven beach. We had it all to ourselves, which is crazy because it's such a touristy spot. And then we went snorkeling today, and then on the way back we saw some whales with some dolphins, which is really cool. Slept on a boat. I was freezing the whole night, but it was kind of my fault because I forgot to ask for a blanket, and then I was too lazy to get up and get my hoodie, so I met some really cool people. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'll make another one for Cairns and maybe another one for Fraser Island. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!